You should never disagree. This is one of the laws from the book The Diary of a CEO. According to this law, in any kind of relation, be it personal or professional, we should never ever disagree. Matlab ki, if we have different opinions from someone else, then we shouldn't start our part from disagreement. Instead, we should start with something that we both believe in. Because according to an experiment that was conducted, जहाँ एक couple को एक screen से separate किया and both of them were shown the property pictures. In fact, the same property pictures, and they were told to guess what will be the valuation of it. Now, this was not a guessing game. See, both of them can see each other's guesses. Here, the point was that they monitored the brains of the couples, those who agreed on the same bid and those who didn't. And the results were something like this. So, those who were agreeing with their partners, their minds were a little bit more open and receptive, and because of which they were more open to changing their opinions or at least listening to the other opinion. Whereas the ones who had disagreements, their brains seemed to have frozen. And because of which they were not in the mood or even with an open mind to listen to others' opinions. Which is why if you have a different opinion from your partner, then start with something that you both believe in. This will make a mutual ground for your partner and they will have a slight impression that you are on their side. Of course, it doesn't guarantee that they will understand your point completely, but the possibility and the probability of it increases. See, I know it is very difficult to apply. I read this law very recently and within 2 days of reading it, I had a big argument with my partner. और मैं ये सब कुछ भूल गई. The temptation to feel that power and to start with saying that you are wrong is so much deep-rooted within us. But if you are someone who wants a better and healthier relationship, then never disagree. And this was one of the laws from the book The Diary of a CEO. Let's try this next time when we are having an argument. If you want to know more of such lessons from this specific book or from any other book, then do let me know in the comments below. And that was me, Shubhshri, signing off.